it's Rachel and we're here today to film my April monthly in my Hobonichi Weeks. I've got this gorgeous kit from Fab Planner Print. This is a bunny themed kit. It has got some little Easter eggs there, obviously, because I'm going to use this for April, but you could definitely use this for a different spring month and just leave the little Easter eggs out. It's not too Eastery at all. It's beautiful, and I've actually used this this week as my weekly kit as well. If you caught me on Instagram last night doing my live, we are on Monday the 13th today, and I did that last night on Instagram if you managed to catch me, but that's the same kit in the weeks form. So we're going to do the April monthly. So we are on the 13th of April. I am very, very late filling in the April monthly, but as you know, things are a little bit weird at the moment, aren't they? So I definitely don't have anything to write in it. I've got my stepdad's birthday on Wednesday this week, and it's quite possible that that is the only thing that will get written into this monthly this month. But I'm still going to decorate it because it's just nice to make it look pretty. So we'll start off with the side washi. So how is everybody? I hope you're all well. We are on week 4 of the lockdown in the UK. I'm still doing good. I'm still okay. Keeping myself busy. My family is safe. That's the main thing. But I hope everybody else is okay. Trying to look at the positives. I'm getting lots of time to spend with my son and my daughter. Lots of time to catch up on jobs that I wouldn't ordinarily have time to do. I'm still in my pyjamas as well, as you can see. I have had a shower and they are clean pyjamas. I'm not I'm not a slob. But yeah, lockdown uniform is Primark pyjamas. I'm trying to remember if the last few videos that I filmed have been like different pyjamas. I think they definitely have. So we're just putting the date dots down at the top, the date covers, sorry. You get everything you need in these kits, which is really, really nice. I don't need to pick from any other sticker kits. Last one. Oh, no, not last one. I've got 2 more. Saturday and Sunday. So yesterday was Easter, Easter Sunday. And the kids still got lots of Easter eggs. We did some Easter crafts. We made Easter cards for my elderly next door neighbours because my kids love them. And she very kindly popped 2 Easter eggs in a little bag over the back fence, which was really, really sweet. So I wanted to just say thank you for those. And then we got, I bought some lining paper from, I'm going to put that on there because that was Easter Sunday. We bought some lining paper from Amazon. And I rolled it all out across the back garden, and then we painted it. So that was another nice Easter craft that we did. So we've been keeping busy, keeping the kids busy. I'm just going to get some skinny washi, and I think I might use the blue. I feel like the blue will go quite nice. And I'm going to do what I did here, and I think I did it here as well. Yeah, I did. I just think it gives it a little bit of something extra, and considering that it's going to be a quiet month, there's not going to be much written on it. I thought that would be quite nice to do. So I can find my little, it's my slicey that I want. It's actually an eyebrow tool. Excuse me. It's actually an eyebrow tool. I got 3 for £1 from Poundland, I think. But it's really good for cutting washi if you're doing it like where you just pull the washi. I'll show you in a minute. If you just pull the washi up. But yeah, I think I need to turn it upside down. So just bear with me. Yeah, I do. I might try and speed this bit up if I can. We'll see when I'm editing. I do have a few editing apps on my phone. I record and edit all my videos on my phone. I don't have any fancy equipment or any paid for editing software. So I think I can possibly figure out how to do it, but we will see. This is just one of the skinny washes from Simply Gilded. I think it was one that came as an add-on in a sub box. I don't actually get the Simply Gilded sub box anymore because at the time I didn't have my More box, and if you're a UK customer you obviously get customs on it, and it was making the price of the box at the end, including the international postage and the customs, the price of the box is coming to like £50, which is way more than I am willing to spend on any subscription box, especially washi tapes and stickers. It was far too much. But I do actually have my More box now, and I've been using it successfully as well. I have shipped a couple of boxes of bits and pieces, and I've missed customs doing it that way, and I've managed to save a little bit of postage doing it that way as well. So if that's something that you are considering using, maybe not in the current climate with the COVID and the uncertain postage times and things like that, but ordinarily I would definitely recommend it. I've not had any problems at all, and I've shipped back an expensive item as well. I shipped back a Foxy Fix and I had no issues whatsoever with it. Right, so that is the skinny washi over the border for the dates, the numbers, sorry. And I think it looks beautiful. I was going to use pink, but I always use pink. Pink is obviously my favourite colour, that goes without saying, but it's nice to put something a bit different in. Right, so we'll go with the numbers. You do get the numbers included in this kit, so we'll do that. And these don't come with the month on. What you actually get, what you can get is one of these, which is a little sheet that has the actual dates on it. That's the 2021. I'm still using the dates from 2019. I don't use the actual year anyway, so I'm not too bothered about that. So we'll just get this sheet used up first, but this is for April. So I will pop the April word down there. Beautiful. I like that it comes as a separate sticker rather than printed on, because it means that, for instance, like I bought this absolutely gorgeous November monthly from Isabel the Owl, and I can use it next year, so all is not lost. But it was very frustrating when, is it in, it might be in here, I think it's in my other Hobonichi folder, but it was very frustrating when I forgot about it. I decorated November last year and then realised that I'd bought a beautiful foiled kit when it came in the post. So yeah, I like it that you can put the date covers on, the month cover on separately, and just use it for whatever month you want. So yeah, so like I said, I am a little bit late doing this. It's the 13th. All of the days are merging into one at the moment, aren't they? They are. I'll try and speed this next bit up as well, so you're not just stuck watching me popping these numbers down. Okay, there we go. So that is the dates down. I am going to pop this little bit of decoration. I think actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this long strip across the bottom, just to give that a bit of something, and then I might pop that decoration box on the end of it. I'm going to have to just trim it a little bit, but I'll just use my little slice tool to do that, and that'll be no problem. So I've just got my washi card from Josephine Bow Designs and my slice tool from Amazon. You've all seen that by now. A little ceramic blade, not sharp at all. I think number 16 just came up on my finger. That one's up as well. Did I not stick them down properly? Looks like I didn't put them down hard enough. There we go. Oh, that one's up as well. Oh, try again. There we go. And then I can use this bit on the other side. It's going to be a little bit of overhang, so I'll just cut that bit as well. This kit is so stunning, I love it. There we go, beautiful. And then I'll put that deco box that I just popped to the side, just on the edge here, I think. And then if I move to the weekly kit that I just used, where have I put that? Here it is. So this is what's left of the weekly kit that I'm currently using, and it's got some checklists on it. I'm just going to pinch a couple and put them down here for some monthly to-dos. So if I put one there and then I put a blue one, maybe here. And if I've got any monthly to-dos, I can pop those down there. But I think that's it. You do get some bill dues and some other bill dues, payday. I'm going to use these to mark across if I've got anything going on. I will be writing a birthday in there. But I think for now, that's it. I'll pop a picture of this on my Instagram soon. But yeah, that's it for today. Just a quick video, I think. I hope you're all well and I hope you're all safe. If you like this video, if you could give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I'll love you forever. And I'll see you soon. Bye.